This is the Bayraktar Kızılelma, Turkey's ghost in the machine. Developed by Baykar in Turkey, this next-generation combat drone first took flight in 2022, but it wasn't built just to fly. It was built to change the rules of air combat. No pilot, no cockpit, no human fear, only artificial intelligence. Powered by advanced sensors and radar, the Bayraktar Kızılelma can detect threats beyond visual range and strike targets with precision. It can even launch from the deck of the TCG Anadolu, but what makes it truly powerful is how it fights, not alone. Kızılelma is designed to fly alongside fighter jets like the F-16 Fighting Falcon, sharing data, coordinating attacks, and acting as a loyal wingman, a machine fighting beside humans, because the future of air combat may not belong to pilots. It may belong to intelligent machines.